going for ISLPR test, so this video is definitely for you. So hi guys, I am Himzi from the desk of EnglishWise, and if you are aspiring to give your ISLPR test, then definitely watch this video till the end, and if you like the content, don't forget to share and subscribe to our channel. So today in this video, I'm going to talk about ISLPR reading module. So I know people are not at all aware what they can expect in their ISLPR reading module. So one thing you need to understand that reading is not at all tough here in this case. So we need to understand ISLPR is not really checking your memory. What we people are doing, we are trying to practice by the passages that we, with the help of the passages that we get in IELTS. So, but you need to understand IELTS test is entirely different than ISLPR, and I really have to say that definitely reading module even for ISLPR is quite easier as compared to IELTS. Okay, what you should expect in your exam. You will be having, let's say, 2 to 3 pages that are going to be given to you by your examiner, and you'll be having passages. Now, when I talk about passages, are these going to be quite tough or longer or advanced vocabulary? No. As I mentioned, they are not really going to check your memory, that they will be giving you advanced vocabulary and want to like see that how much vocabulary words and its meaning you can retain. They are not going to do so. You'll get something most probably related to teaching field, and but yeah, it might not be related to teaching field as well. It might be related to general education or maybe any student's performance, anything. Okay, now you will be asked, you will not be getting any questions in written form unlike any other exam. Here, reading is going to be in one-to-one interview only, and then they're gonna ask you question based on the passage. So are they going to take the pages from you? No, they won't. You will be allowed to have glimpse on the passage. So what you should do, like let's say if the question says what number of students are performing anything, according to the context that you will be of course getting in your passage, doesn't mean that you'll start reading it. You definitely are allowed to have glimpse on the passage that you have read, but doesn't mean that you should read it. You should paraphrase the information, use the glimpse to utilize what should be the answer basically, or what are the keywords. Just paraphrase it and speak it. Okay, because ultimately they are again going to check how, like, have you understood the context or not. And when it comes to communicating that or conversing with someone else, will you be comfortable? Will you be using professional tone? Will you be comfortable in answering what you have understood? Basically, how well can you convert the ideas that you have got with your speech? Okay, now next is, this is one way, right? So it's not like you'll be getting only reading passages where you'll have to answer according to the comprehension you have understood, but many students have also got read aloud. So is this read aloud is going to be same as your PT exam? No, it won't be. In PT, what we people are doing is we are just reading it and we are focusing on fluency and pronunciation. Here, the passage will be given to you. Most of the time, these passages are announcements, like, you know, as a principal or as just an education facilitator, you have to address students, or maybe you have to address parents in a conference, and you have to announce that what is really expected. So they are checking your intonation, they are checking your pronunciation, they are also checking how well you can speak and how well you can understand the tone. So now question arises, is everybody going to get these read aloud passages? No, not really. Some students do get, but on the, like we all know that ISLPR is more of a private test. So it is not whatever we are guiding you, you are going to get each and everything. But through this channel, our focus is to guide you about everything that can come, so that there is no surprise element in your exam. So please do not consider that, okay, fine, Himzi has said that you will be getting read aloud and passage also. So you need to understand that you can get both, or you can only get one out of it. Most probably when I say one, I do not mean you will only get read aloud. Like when it comes to getting only one type of question, just consider that you would be getting passage and then you are going to be asked certain question on the basis of that passage that you have understood. Okay. Then coming up to how you should answer, like, is it necessary that you should answer using advanced vocabulary and all? No, please don't do it. In other words, if I really have to make you understand in a layman's language, I would say just please consider ISLPR hate sites. As such, this is not a scenario. It's not like they actually hate. It's just a metaphorical example to guide you, so that you people do not imitate what you people are doing in IELTS, because I know many of you watching this video could be the ones that had already given IELTS exam and you were not able to score 8877, and as a last resort you are turning towards ISLPR. So, but what we will try to do, we know that ISLPR is easier, but we are trying to put everything that we have done in IELTS over here, which is not going to fetch you scores for sure. I know my students who tried and they end up getting only 3 plus, but we want 4, right? So level 4 is only possible when you work on your normal proficiency, right? And I'll be soon coming up with the video for the other modules also. Till then, if you're having any question related to ISLPR, please feel free to write in the comment section, and also follow our Facebook group so that you could take help of the resources that we people gonna post over there. So that is going to be quite resourceful. You'll be able to get certain exercises, you'll be able to get probable questions related to writing. We'll surely be posting the link of Facebook profile of our ISLPR with EnglishWise in the description box, so that you people can take proper advantage of each and every resource. Till then, bye bye, take care, rise and shine.